Hi there friend, my name is Marci and in this video I am going to show you how I roll a Picasso with my watercolor pencils. So for these you're going to need your Roll Picasso printable. Just look it up on Google and there's a bunch of free printables, a pencil, an eraser, a watercolor proof or resistant ink pen. I am using a micro one here and a piece of watercolor or mixed media paper and your dice to start rolling. So this is just a guide, it doesn't need to be perfect and we are going to add more details later. But once you have it all in pencil, just go over with your pen and make it permanent so that later you can erase all the pencil marks and add more detail and watercolor it. In this case, I am going to be using the Watercolor Faber-Castell brand of pencils. You can use whatever watercolors you have or watercolor pencils you have. And once you have your little roller Picasso ready to add color, just go at it. You don't need much. I'm just using 2 brushes, a little cup of water, and a napkin to dab my brush in. So I like to do like a messy kind of coloring because I just like that messy kind of not caring look in my little watercolors. And this is such a fun challenge just to get you exploring and doing something little every day, because as you see, it's not a big size and it's not overwhelming. So since I'm using greens and yellows, this is going to be very it feels very tropical kind of to me, and it's just, you know, happy colors, very nature like. And this guy, I don't know about you, but he was giving me this kind of punk kind of vibe to him. So when I add my details, there's gonna be a scar and there's gonna be an ear piercing kind of thought kind of thing. So I had a lot of fun doing this. And for the background, like I said, this is very tropical looking to me, so I added just kind of like a brown color, and this guy, it's inspiring me more and more towards like a palm tree kind of vibe. So anyhow, I'm mixing 2 browns for the background just to give it a little contrast, and now I'm activating it with the water. Again, just very messy, nothing perfect about it, just playing and having fun. I work with coffee over at my channel at MixItUpMarci, and I also created a Picasso with coffee. So if you want to check that one out, feel free to hop over to my channel and look at it. I normally create my own pattern papers and just do some mixed media using coffee because nothing is more affordable, and I feel like I want to get everybody's juices flowing, artsy, crafty stuff. It's fun, so just in case you want to check it out, you can hop over there. But for now, you can see all the details I'm adding, and they don't all need to be the same. At the end of the video, I am going to show you some other Picassos that I did where the hair is not straight and it's curly, and you know, just adding little details to each one of them gives them their little personality and characteristics, and yeah, just different characters for all of them. So I hope you're having fun with Christy's challenge, and I will encourage you to keep posting and, you know, to keep creating and having fun with your little watercolors in July. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked my little Picasso and you found it easy and fun and not scared at all to add details. And the details don't need to be on top of your Picasso, they can be in the background like I'm doing here. I'm just trying to add 2 little palm trees to the background. So for doing this, I'm just tracing 2 straight lines for each palm tree, and then I'm gonna be filling them in with teeny tiny lines just to give the impression of a palm tree without having 2 straight lines going from the top to the bottom. So I'm just going sideways with the little teeny tiny lines, and this creates the impression that there is kind of like a tree or, you know, just making the palm tree without actually drawing the two lines on the sides. I guess that's what I want to say. And it's just makes it a little bit more, you know, fancy. So thank you so much for watching, and keep creating, keep having fun, keep posting and getting those creative juices going, and have an amazing day. Bye!